Changing your primary email on your National Bank of Egypt Switzerland account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the National Bank of Egypt Switzerland website and log into your online banking account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your personal information. Step 3. Select Email Preferences. In the Account Settings, find the Email Preferences or Contact Information option. Click on it to access your current email details. Step 4. Update your email address. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRUG to constantly monitor your email accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After entering your new email, click on the Save or Update button. You may receive a confirmation email to verify the change, so check your inbox and follow any instructions provided. By following these steps, you can successfully change your primary email on your National Bank of Egypt Switzerland account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.